Hello friends, Durga Puja, the festival of worshipping goddess Durga, is a grand and widely celebrated festival among the Bengalis. And the true essence of this festival, promulgated by the undying Mahishasuramardini from the vocal cord of Sri Birendra Krishna Bhadra on the day of Mahalaya. Every Bengali or the admirer of Bengali culture from all corners of the world feels nostalgic by this unparalleled creation by Sri Bani Kumar. This is my sincere effort to keep this immortal edition to an international face, unaltered from its lyrics and the true tune, showing my heartiest tribute to this ever-ending creation, keeping due respect of Sanskrit and our culture at its literally best. Thank you.
In an early autumn morning of Ashvina, there go the jingling bells of anklets of light. From the outer sky over the earth disappears a series of clouds. Around the very heart of nature is felt the awakening message of the advent of the radiant Mother of the world. The footfalls of the delightful goddess Durga do sound with an unending rhythm to bring about in the worlds of beauty and flavor the restoration of a new feeling of sweetness. So there begins the invocation to the cheerful and green complexioned Mother of Consciousness in an ardent embodiment. Today, the image clothed in autumnal remembrances, the universal Mother as a spiritual perception incarnate is awakened through meditation in temple after temple.
सिंहस्नाशशिशेखरा मरकटप्रेक्षा चतुर्भिर्भुजैः शङ्खं चक्रधनु शरांश्च दधते नेत्रैः स्त्रिभिः शोभिता आमुक्तं गदहारकङ्कण रणत्काञ्चीकनन्नूपुरा दुर्गा दुर्गतिहारिणी भवतु नो रत्नो लसत्कुण्डला।
Goddess Durga is eternal, full of power and virtues. She is one but varied and various are her revelations. The goddess is Lakshmi, again with the unique power of absolute. She is wife of Brahma. Sometimes she is revealed as the wife of the god of gods, and sometimes again she is an unwedded chaste girl. She also looks like the wife of Indra as she reveals herself in great thunders as the violent splendor of Lord Shiva. She reveals herself as Chamunda, the killer of the giants Chanda and Munda. Further, she is the destiny full of darkness. The advent of this omni-appearing supreme power of the prime nature is going to be realized. So all the seven worlds are full of delight.
বাজিলো তোমার আলোর বেণু, মাতলো যে ভুবন, বাজিলো তোমার আলোর বেণু। আজ প্রভাতে শিশুর শুনে খুলে দিল মন, বাজলো 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 তোমার আলোর বেণু। অন্তরে যা লুকিয়ে রয়েছে অরুণ বীণায় সে সুর বাজে, এই আনন্দ যোগে সবার মধুর আমন্ত্রণ, মাতলো যে ভুবন, বাজলো তোমার আলোর বেণু। আজ সমীরণ
goddess divine illusion, you alone are trial. By virtue of your spiritedness, you are Brahma's wife Bhagdevi. By virtue of knowledge, you are Vishnu's wife Lakshmi. And the third quality makes you Shiva's wife Parvati. Again standing amidst our cries, sounded with the bugle horn, you are indescribable. You are uniquely glorious, the queen of the supreme being, goddess Katyayani, the daughter of sage Katyayana. She is Durga, renowned as Kanya Kumari. She is the original power, embodied as Durga. She is daughter of Daksha and the chaste wife of Shiva. She is goddess Durga, who under the influence of the radiation born out of her own body, she used to burn her enemies on becoming as red as fire with bloodshot eyes. At this very dawn, O great goddess, let the colorful lotus with 100 petals of lustre bloom, resounding the sentiment of devotion, to inaugurate you all around. O divine light, O goddess Durga, the mother, let your advent make the earth full of life. Arise, O mother, arise.
জাগো তুমি জাগো জাগো দুর্গা জাগো দশ প্রহরণ ধারিণী অভয়া শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো প্রণমী বরদা অজরা অতুলা প্রণমী বরদা অজরা অতুলা বহু বল ধারিণী রিপুদল বারিণী জাগো মা শরণময়ী চণ্ডিকা শঙ্করী জাগো জাগো মা জাগো অসুর বিনাশিনী তুমি জাগো জাগো দুর্গা জাগো দশ প্রহরণ ধারিণী অভয়া শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো
O goddess Chandi, the supreme being of consciousness, she is ever existent, she has no beginning, she has no traditional image. The expression of this universe indicates her image, though everlasting. She makes her advent in order to save gods and goddesses from the oppression of the demon. Here goes her everlasting message. Ityang yada yada vadha danvatya bhavishvati tada tadavatiriya hankarishyamuri sangshayam. On the dissolution of the earlier universe during the deluge, when the whole world was transformed into the creative water, Lord Vishnu mobilized his entire power and influence and got himself quite abate in his self-absorbed trance on the sea of that water. Towards the end of the trance, Brahma was born out of the lotus-like navel of Vishnu, but the two demons, Madhu and Kaitava, born of Vishnu's air roots, were about to destroy the earth together with the whole existence of Brahma. The lotus-born Brahma then enlightened the unique Bhagavati through his prayer of hymnal songs, so that she in her turn might awaken the Almighty Vishnu, the preserver of the world, from his self-absorbed trance. This enlightened Bhagavati, the destroyer of the earlier world's stability, the mother and the goddess of the universe, the inhabitant In the eyes of God Hori resembled Yoga Nidra Devi.
ওগো আমাদের আগমনী আলো, ওগো আমাদের আগমনী আলো, জালো প্রদীপ জালো, জালো, ওগো আমাদের আগমনী আলো। ঈশারদের ঝঞ্ঝাবাতে নিশার শেষে রুদ্রবাতে, ঈশারদের ঝঞ্ঝাবাতে নিশার শেষে রুদ্রবাতে নিভল আমার পথের বাতে, নিভল প্রাণের আলো, ওগো আমাদের আগমনী পথ দেখানো আলো, জীবন জ্যোতি রূপের সুধা ঢালো, 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 বিখরানোর শঙ্কা পথে আসবে, বিখরানোর শঙ্কা পথে আসবে, অরুণ রথে আসবে তখন আসবে, টুটবে পথের নিবিড় আধার, সকল বিষাদ গান বাজাও আলোর পন্থ বীণা, ওগো পরম ভালো, পরম ভালো, ওগো আমাদের আগমনী আলো।
त्वां स्वहा त्वां स्वधा त्वां हि वसटकहरः स्वरात्मिका, सुधा त्वामक्षरे नित्ये त्रिधा मात्रात्मिका स्थिता, अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुच्चार्यः विशेषतः, त्वमेव सा त्वां सावित्री त्वां देवी जननी परा, यैव धार्यते सर्वं तवैतत्सृज्यते जगत्, तवैतत्पल्यते देवी त्वामात्सन्ते च सर्वदा, विशिष्टो सृष्टिरूपा त्वां स्थितिरूपा च पालने, तथा संहृतिरूपान्ते जगतो हस्तजगन्मये, महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महाश्रुतिः मोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी, प्रकृतिस्तञ्च सर्वस्य गुणत्रय विभाविनी, कालरात्रिर्महारात्रि मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा, त्वां श्री त्वामीश्वरी त्वां ह्री त्वां बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा, लज्जा पुष्टि तथा तुष्टि त्वां शान्ति एक शान्तिरेव च, खर्गिनी शूलिनी घोड़ा गदिनी चक्रिणी तथा शंखिणी चापिणी बाण भूषुंडी परिघायुध सम्या सम्यातुराशेष सम्याभ्यस्तुति सुंदरी परापरणां परमा त्वमेव परमेश्वरी।
তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত নব শোভা নব ধ্যান রূপায়িত প্রতিমা, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত। বিকশিল জ্যোতি প্রীতি মঙ্গল বরণে, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত। তুমি সাধন ধন ব্রহ্ম বোধন সাধুনি, তুমি সাধন ধন ব্রহ্ম বোধন সাধুনি, তব প্রেম নয়ন ভাতি নিখিল তারণী, কনক কান্তি ঝরিছে কান্ত বদনে, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত। হে মহালক্ষ্মী জননী গৌরী শুভদা, হে মহালক্ষ্মী জননী গৌরী শুভদা, জয় সঙ্গীত ধ্বনিছে ধ্বনিছে তোমারি ভুবনে, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত। নব শোভা নব ধ্যান রূপায়িত প্রতিমা, তব অচিন্ত রূপ চরিত মহিমা, তব অচিন্ত, তব অচিন্ত, তব অচিন্ত।
Then being thus enlightened by Brahma, this goddess of darkness, resembling the darkness of the Holocaust, left behind every limb of Vishnu, who was readily awakened from his trance. He heard his discourse and beheaded Madhu and Kaitava, and again dissembled his meditation. Meanwhile, in a different age, the gods and the goddesses lost their right of heaven to Mahisha, the turbulent king of the demons, and his prowess. The tyranny of this king approached Brahma for help, but King Mahisha had been invisible at the boon of Brahma. So, learning that Brahma could do nothing in destroying the demons, the gods and the goddesses went at his behest and under his spokesmanship to the celestial abode of Vishnu and found Vishnu and Shiva busy in their conversation. In the presence of Brahma, they narrated the intolerable tyrannies of Mahisha, the demon king. Vishnu and Shiva listened to the facts of the narration from the gods and the goddesses fallen from heaven. The face of the greatest yogi, calm and quiet Shiva, changed out of rage from its highly faced complexion to the colorful of the red china rose, and the looks of God Narayana carrying a conch shell, a discus, a mace, and a lotus grew flowering. Then at the invocation of Goddess Durga, an enormous conch sounded in the whole of the sky. An accumulation of lustre radiated from the furious face of the universal yogi Vishnu, from the faces of Brahma and other gods and goddesses to the radiation of lustre occurred. This mountain high accumulation of lustre filled the horizon with rays burning like the sacrificial fire. These rays of lustre together gave rise to a supremely beautiful heavenly woman. She was the great mother of the world, Goddess Durga, who originated primordially. She announced her self-introduction in a hymn of Rig Veda.
अहं रुद्रे विवसुविश्चराम्यहम् आदित्यै मृतविश्वदेवै अहं मित्रावरुणो वा विवर्महम् इन्द्राग्नि अहमश्विनो Of a woman of great prowess, born out of the portions from the gods of their lusters, unified together, was transformed into a subsequent image with vigor. The face of this goddess was white, her eyes were black, lower lip was as reddish as a tender leaf, and her palms were copper colored. It was she who revealed herself sometimes as possessing 1,000 hands, and at other times as possessing only 18 hands. This goddess of an awe-inspiring figure was the great Lakshmi, having the three characteristic primal qualities. She was the very goddess of great primordial power. At the advent of this great glorious goddess, musical instruments were sounded for her ceremonial reception.
অখিল বিমানে তব জয়গানে যে সম রব ও অখিল বিমানে তব জয়গানে
The goddess was eternal, still as she was born out of the accumulation of the lustre from the bodies of all the gods in order to fulfill their purpose. Her novel appearance became well known as the advent of the slayer of the demon king Mahisha. The goddess was adorned as a unique manifestation of Chandi to be engaged in fighting demons. The Himalayas offered her the lion for riding. Vishnu gave her his discus, Sankara his trident, Yama his staff, God Kala his very sharp falchion, the moon his crescent-shaped armor, the sun his bow and arrow, the heavenly architect his impenetrable armor, Brahma his string of beads with water pot, Kuvera his necklace of the jewels. All the gods implored the supreme goddess, adorned with various ornaments and different arms, to start to begin march of victory over the demon. The whole world was filled with the sounds of war trumpets, greeted the supreme power, goddess Durga, holding 10 weapons in her 10 hands. On the eve of the march, the immortal and the mortal, along with hymns of meditation,
নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী জাগো রক্ত বীজনি কৃন্তিনি জাগো মহিষাসুর বিমূর্দিনী জাগো রক্ত বীজনি কৃন্তিনি জাগো মহিষাসুর বিমূর্দিনী ওঠে শঙ্খ মন্দ্রে অভ্রবক্ষ শঙ্কা শননে চণ্ডী শঙ্কা শননে চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী তব খড়গ শক্তি কৃত কৃতান্ত শত্রু সাতন তন্দ্রী শত্রু সাতন তন্দ্রী নত সিংহ বাহিনী ঘন হুঙ্কার ইন্দ্রাদি চমুতন্দ্রী ইন্দ্রাদি চমুতন্দ্রী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী তুমি রণকতন্ত্র টঙ্কারে হান খর কলম্ব জলে সব রথ তুরঙ্গ ছিন্ন ছিন্ন শ্রুতীক্ষ্ণ করবালে নাচ ধূম্র নেত্র দনুজ মুণ্ড চক্রপাত নেখণ্ডী তব তাতা থই প্রলয় নৃত্য তাতা থই প্রলয় নৃত্য ধ্বংসে বাঁধন গণ্ডী ধ্বংসে বাঁধন গণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী
Here began a violent struggle between the goddess and the demon Mahisha. At the blows of the goddess's weapons, the demon army started being torn asunder. King Mahisha went on changing his tricks frequently. Mahisha transformed himself into an elephant. Again the goddess subdued his rage for what in the squeeze of a lion. Then the demon presented himself as a very handsome man through sheer jugglery and got rudely rejected by the goddess. Again the demon assumed his original form of the buffalo. What trumpets were sounded all around. The demon king with his four-part army became jubilant in the hope of defeating the goddess. The goddess riding lion, the king of animals, who ran like a forest fire on all sides of the warfield, killing enemies irresistibly. and goddess Durga, drinking honey, cried out boastfully, Gajja Gajja Salang Mudha, Madhu Yavat Sivamyam, Mayatrai Hatehatraivo, Gajji Shantashu Devata. The immortal observed to their pleasure that Durga had pierced the demon king with her trident and beheaded him on the ground with a stroke of her falchion. Then the whole world filled with the song, worshipping goddess Durga, the demon slayer.
जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते।
देवी प्रपन्नार्ति हरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर जगतो अखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरी पाहि विश्वं त्वामीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका मही स्वरूपेण यतः स्थितासि अपां स्वरूपो स्थितया तवैतत् यापज्यते कृष्णमलङ्घ वीर्ये त्वां वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्तवीर्या विश्वस्य बीजं परमासि माया सम्मोहितं देवी समस्तमेतत् त्वां वै प्रसन्ना भुवि मुक्तिर्हेतु विद्या समस्तास्तव देवी भेदाः स्त्रियः समस्त्या सकला जगत्सु तवैकया पूरितम् अवैतत् खाते स्तुतिः सव्या परापरक्ति सर्वभूता यदा देवी सर्गमुक्ति प्रदायिनी त्वां स्तुता स्तुतये कावा भवन्तु परमक्तयः सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते सर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणी नमःस्तुते कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणाम प्रदायिनी विश्वस्यौ परतौ शक्ते नारायणी नमःस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थे साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमःस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमःस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वशक्तिहरे देवी नारायणी नमःस्तुते हंसो जुगत विमानस्थे ब्रह्मणि रूपधारिणी कौशाम्बा खरिके देवी नारायणी नमःस्तुते त्रिशूलोचन्द्राहिधरे महावृषभवाहिनी माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेण नारायणी नमःस्तुते मयूरो कुक्कुटो वृते महाशक्तिधरे हनघे कौमारी रूपसंस्थाने नारायणी नमःस्तुते शंख चक्र गलार संग गृहीत परमायुधे प्रसीद वैष्णवी रूपे नारायणी नमःस्तुते गृहीत महाचक्रे दंष्ट्रधृत वसुंधरे वराहरूपिणी शिवे नारायणी नमःस्तुते नृसिंहोरूपेणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे त्रैलोक्यात्राण सहिते नारायणी नमःस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रो नयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रो प्राणहरे चन्द्री नारायणी नमःस्तुते शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतो दैत्य महाबले घोर रूपे महारामे नारायणी नमःस्तुते दंष्ट्राकराल बदने शिरोमाला विभूषणे चामुण्डे मुण्डमाथने नारायणी नमःस्तुते लक्ष्मी लज्जे महाविद्ये स्वदे पुष्टि स्वदे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महाविद्ये नारायणी नमःस्तुते मेधे सरस्वती वरे भूतिभाव्रवितामसि नियते त्वां प्रसीदेशे नारायणी नमःस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयेभ्यो स्त्रायिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमस्तुते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रये भूषितं पातु नः सर्वभूतेभ्यः कात्यायनि नमस्तुते ज्वालाकरालमुत्तु नमो शेषाशूरसूदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमस्तुते हीनस्ति दैत्यदेयांसि स्वरेण पूर्य या जगत् सा घण्टा पतुनो देवी पापेभ्यः नासुतानिव असुराश्रीगवशापङ्क चर्चितस्थे करज्ज्वला शुभाय खर्गो भवतु चण्डिके त्वाङ्गनता वयम् रोगान् शेषान् अपहंसि तुष्ट्वा रुष्ट्वा तु कामान् सकलान् भीष्ट्यान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नाराणां त्वामाश्रिता झस्रयातां प्रयान्ति एतं कृतं यत्कदनं त्वयाद्व धर्मद्दिशां देवी महाशूराणां रूपैक अनैक बहुर्धा उदार्तुमूर्तिं कृत्याम्बिके तत्प्रकरति कन्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकोद्दीपे दद्देषु वाक्येषु चौका तदन्या ममोत्तगर्ते अतिमहान्धकारे बिभ्रामयत्येता ततीव विश्वं रक्षांसि यत्रो ग्रविशाश्च नागा यत्रारयो दस्यु बलानि यत्रो दावानलो यत्रो तथावधि मध्ये तत्रो स्थिता त्वां परिपासि विश्वं विश्वेश्वरी त्वां परिपासि विश्वं विस्मार्तिका धारयसति विश्वं विश्वेशवन्दा भवति भवन्ति विश्वाश्रया ये तयि भक्तिनम्रा देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिभीते नित्यं यथा असुरवधादुरव्यसैद्य पापानि सर्वजगताञ्च समग्नयासु उत्पातपाकजनितांश्च महापसर्गान् प्रणोतानां प्रसीद त्वां देवी विश्वार्तिहारिणि त्रैलोक्यवासिना विड्डे लोकानां वरदा भवः।
जय जय जप जय जय शब्द परास्तुति तत्पर विष्णुते जय जय जप जय जय शब्द परास्तुति तत्पर विष्णुते झन झन झिं झिं झिंकृत नूपुर शिंचित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटाढ्य नटी नटी नायक नाटक नट सुगान रते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि ब्रह्मकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ सुमना 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 सुमनोहर कान्ति जुटे ऐ सुमना 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 सुमनोहर कान्ति जुटे ऐ सुमना 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 सुमनोहर कान्ति जुटे श्रित रजनी 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 करभक्तभुते सुनयन विभ्रमरा भ्रमरा 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि ब्रह्मकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कनकल सत्कल सिन्धु जलैरनु सिञ्चित ते गुणरङ्गभुवं
गुणरङ्गभुवं कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनुषिञ्चति ते गुणरङ्गभुवं
भजति सकिं न शची कुचकुम्भतटी परिरम्भ सुखानुभवम्
सुखानुभवं भजति सकिन्नशची कुचकुम्भतटी परिरम्भ सुखानुभवं
सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि ब्रह्मकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
नमो दिव्यै महादिव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः नमो प्रकृत्यायै भद्र्यायै नियता प्रणता स्मतां रौद्र्यायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यायै धत्र्यायै प्रिया वै नमो नमः जस्मिया वै चेन्दुरूपेण्यै सुखा वै सततं नमः कल्याणै प्रणुता वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः नैऋत्यै भुभृतां लक्ष्म्यै सर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः दुर्गा वै दुर्गोपारा वै सारा वै सर्वकारिण्यै यत्यै तथैव कृष्ण्या वै धूम्र्या वै सततं नमः उतीशोम्यातिरौद्र्या वै ततस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठ्या वै देव्या वै कृत्या वै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतनात्या विधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु ख्यान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रीतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानाञ्च अखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः चितिरूपेण या कृष्णव एतद्व्याप्या स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री
मधुकैटभ विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि।
महिषासुरनिर्नाशी भक्तानां सुखदे नमः।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि। वन्दितां ह्रियुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि। अचिन्त्यरूपचरिते सर्वशत्रुविनाशिने सर्वशत्रुविनाशिने। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि। न तेभ्यः सर्वदा भक्त्या चापर्णे दुरितापहे। न तेभ्यः सर्वदा भक्त्या चापर्णे दुरितापहे। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि।
देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि देवी परमं सुखं। देहि देवी परमं सुखं।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि।
विदेहि देवि कल्याणं विदेहि विपुलां श्रियं विपुलां श्रियं
यशो देहि दिशो जय
तारिणी दुर्गा संसार सागरस्याचलोद्भवे तारिणी दुर्गा संसार सागरस्याचलोद्भवे सागरस्याचलोद्भवे